Alright, so good afternoon again everybody. So ang goal natin for this video is makagawa tayo ng isang DoPrime account for Filipinos that would access the shadow technique. So in this video, i-walk through kayo ano yung magiging itsura from step by step once you click the affiliate link. Ano magiging itsura niyan, ano yung mga i-click niyan, all of that. Okay? So of course, pag yung click na link na yon na binigay sa inyo ng leaders or sino, i-click nyo yun. Ang lalabas dyan, of course, itong do prime registration. Choose individual account, put your name, last name, country of residence. So kung Philippines ka, Philippines. Pag nasa ibang bansa kasi the problem is depende sa country. Suggestion ko, kung meron kang ID ng Philippines, lagay mo dyan Philippines pa din. Country of residence. Nationality mo Filipino or Philippines. Yung phone number mo dito, once you list down, basta ito ha, may ID ka na Philippines. List down mo siya Philippines. Yung phone number mo dito, kahit anong number na. Pero ang important dyan, na ilagay mo ba yung country resident mo Philippines. Kasi mangyayari dyan, yung registration mo papasok as Philippines na regulations. Pag hindi, sinelect mo kasi ibang country dyan, baka walang regulations doon or hindi talaga pwede ang Forex doon. Okay? So put your email and your password. So once you input all of this, click accept and submit. Papasok yan sa email mo. Once you're already done with the email, i-confirm mo yan. May PIN na hihingin sa'yo to confirm it. Once you put the PIN doon, lalabas yan. Continue. And then, once the account will be there, okay, i-click mo yan sa email mo or punta ka sa doprime.com. doprime.com. So, ito magiging itsura nito, doprime.com. Yan. Okay, so login. Kung na-select mo dyan ng email, i-select mo yan. Papasok, ito na yung magiging dashboard mo. Alright? So, punta ka dito sa tab na yan, i-verify mo yung account mo. May video instructions dito on how to verify your account. Attach ka ng Philippine ID mo that supports your Filipino. Then, tinatawag na Know Your Client or KYC process. So, important yan on this first part. Alright? So, see you on the next part.